Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set side key to end calls on your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. For that, first go to call button and click on these three vertical dots. Now click on settings here and click on answering and ending calls. Now you have to turn on the button again, press side key to end calls. And now if you receive any incoming call or if you make any outgoing call while call is in progress, if you want to cut, you don't need to press on soft key. Just you can use this power key, side key to end the call, so you can make sure that your call is end. See here, I show the demo now. I will receive a call now. I make a call from another phone to my phone here and I answer this call. Now call is in progress. If you want to cut the call, usually you use this cut button, this soft key. If you want to cut it firmly, just you can use the side key now. Yes, call is cut. So in this way you can make sure that your call is cut. If you turn off this button, side key will not work for cutting the call. Now I will show the demo for that also. Now side key is not working for cutting the call. Still call is in progress. So you have to use the soft key only. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.